This is a very quick video to show you how to use the second paraphrasing feedback sheet. So I just get my finished paragraph that I want to check with Chat GPT. I copy and paste that, and then I put it below the yellow line on the feedback sheet. Okay, and then I follow the same instructions as before. So I copy and paste everything between the two dotted and broken lines into Chat GPT. So I copy all of this. I put it into Chat GPT, and then I add my first stage questions. So copy the whole thing, including the prompt. So copy that, put it into Chat GPT with the text. I get the feedback. And then at the end, it says, would you like to revise your paragraph based on this feedback before we move to the next stage? So I make a few edits, check again. And then when I've finished everything, I can copy the link here, create the link, copy it, copy that link, and then I can either put it in the email or put it on my final assignment after I edited the assignment. Okay, so I could just copy the link at the bottom here when I've finished all of the paraphrasing. Okay, so that's how to use the second feedback sheet. It's just a short video because it's very, very similar to the first one, but I just made the video in case any students wanted to double check. Okay, I look forward to reading all of your assignments. Bye-bye.